history that even Somalis are unaware of, and that's a shame, I think.
If you look at the orange, and you say, well, this has sort of blemishes, okay? So it might not taste too well, so you can throw it away. But if you actually take the husk out and you look, there are no blemishes inside, and it's sweet and juicy, okay? And so if you look at what has happened to the Somali people, the tragedy that has befallen them in the last 25 years or so, so these people are sort of a rubbish, okay? But if you go to Mogadishu, if you go to Hargeisa, if you go to Garawa, if you go to Kismaya, and you go to schools that ordinary people have put together, those young and women in those schools are more eager to learn than my students here at the university.